Still on digital transformation and change management. This is part three. We'll be looking at regulatory foundation of digital banking in Nigeria. The regulatory foundation of digital banking in Nigeria. In this slide, this slide introduces the main Nigerian laws supporting digital banking. There we show how we cited BOFIA 2020 and how it strengthened financial supervision and how the Nigeria Data Protection Council Act of 2023 regulates the collection and the use of customer information. We also examined GAID 2025 and its compliance requirements. The workshop, in this session, the message is that digital innovation must operate within laws and must protect customers' rights. Okay, it must operate within laws and must protect customers' rights. It must operate within laws and must protect the rights of the customer. Okay, then also there are also other laws, CBN guidelines governing digital channel. We examine open banking, cybersecurity, electronic payments, and virtual asset service providers. The guidelines addresses issues such as customer consent, secure data sharing, risk management, transaction reliability, and dispute resolution. The purpose is to help employee understand how regulation supports safe, dependable, and accountable digital banking services. So all this operational guideline for open banking, risk-based cybersecurity framework. This is to have that understanding that there are guidelines, there are enabling law governing digital transformation or data governance in Nigeria. That awareness should be there. So part of the question we must ask on every form of digital or data transformation is what is the enabling law that governs it so that our action does not come does not does not does not breach the law at any point in time. In this section, we'll be looking at the best practices in Nigerian digital banking. The best practices in Nigerian digital banking. Here, we are converting ideas into practical action. And we have conversation going by the slide. We discuss first product design, privacy protection, cybersecurity, and consent-based open banking. We also consider reliable channel, fast dispute resolution, customer education, and fraud awareness. The key lesson here is that successful digital banking depends on modern technology. It requires trust, security, it requires compliance, and inclusion and responsible employee behavior. Of course, what is one of the components of responsible behavior? Understanding guidelines and knowing the enabling laws that guides action. We say policy is guide to action, but that action also must be in consonance with law. So at the end of the day, the workshop is divided into three parts. Part one explains the meaning and the purpose of digital transformation. Part two focuses on employee culture, collaboration, and continuous improvement. Part three links digital transformation to regulation, security, and practical banking standard. Together, the seven slides shows that every employee has a role in building a digital banking environment that is efficient, secure, compliant, and focused on the need of the customer. Thank you.